Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of nature and holistic well-being. Today, we are diving into the world of mustard oil. You might know it as a cooking ingredient, but it has a treasure trove of secrets that can transform your life. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our informative content. Section 1. What is mustard oil? Let's start at the beginning. What exactly is mustard oil? Mustard oil is derived from the seeds of the mustard plant. It's been used for centuries, not just in the kitchen, but also in traditional medicine, skincare, and more. The oil is extracted through a unique process, and this extraction method plays a crucial role in its purity and potency. Section 2. Culinary delight. Now, let's dive into the kitchen and discover how mustard oil can transform your culinary adventures. Not only does mustard oil add a distinct flavor to your dishes, but it also has numerous health benefits. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are excellent for heart health. We'll explore some mouth-watering recipes that showcase the versatility of mustard oil and how it enhances the nutritional value of your meals. Section 3. Skin and hair care. But wait, there's more. Mustard oil isn't just for your taste buds, it's a beauty secret too. Discover how mustard oil can be your go-to natural moisturizer, packed with vitamin E and antioxidants. We'll share a DIY skincare routine that will leave your skin glowing. And don't forget about your hair. Learn how to use mustard oil to promote hair growth, combat dandruff, and maintain those luscious locks. Section 4. Traditional medicine. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of traditional medicine. Did you know mustard oil has been used for centuries to relieve joint pain, arthritis, and more? We'll uncover the science behind these ancient remedies. We've even got an expert in traditional medicine to shed light on the power of mustard oil in holistic healing. Section 5. Final thoughts. To sum it up, mustard oil is a multifaceted gem that has benefits beyond your imagination. Have you tried mustard oil in any unique way? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's learn from each other. If you've enjoyed this journey through mustard oil secrets, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the button. Thank you for joining us today as we uncovered the hidden gems of mustard oil. Remember, nature has so much to offer, and it's up to us to embrace its gifts. Stay curious, stay healthy, and we'll see you in our next video.